Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Today we have a 12 by 24. We're going to be doing several blooms on here, and as you can see my granddaughter, she was here. Well, we're going to paint over that. The colors we're going to be using today is a beautiful Prussian Blue, Ultramarine Blue, and a Liquitex Silver, which has just a little touch of black added to it. Haven't done this color combo before, but we're gonna do it today. Haven't done a triple bloom for a while, so I got a new can of pillow paint. I'm using PPG Multi Pro. To the 4 cups, I add 1/4 cup of GAC 800. Let's see. That should be enough. These little clips here, they help it so it doesn't go all over the place. Okay, let's start. We're gonna start with we're gonna be using black oxide cell activator, and we're gonna be using Prussian Blue first. And I'm gonna do it right here. Nope, I like working on this side. Big blooms. And that was the Prussian Blue, the Ultramarine, and now the Silver. Just gonna drizzle this on a little bit. All right. Black oxide using Australian Cell Flow for the cell activator. My blow dryer is the flower blow dryer. I use it on low. Okay, now let's start on our other bloom. Oh, I see some little bubbles popping up. Let me take care of those. Okay, all right. Now, let's do our other one. And I'll just poke them as they come up. You want to poke them up right away. You don't want to wait till, maybe I should see what else comes up. After spinning out, the paint will be too thin. It will be hard to get rid of them. With our Prussian Blue, our Ultramarine Blue, and our Silver. Now black cell activator. It's a big puddle, so I put a good amount. And let's try to do it. So this is just gonna be 2 blooms rather than 3. I might have needed to make it closer, but oh well. Right, let's see. I'd like to get, no, we'll see. No. That's an awful big one. Got half of it. Okay, now I'm gonna add some extra paint here. Use a smaller bottle. That's not gonna come out fast enough, so let's do it like that. There goes my granddaughter's painting. She's a younger one. All right, now those are beautiful colors. So we're gonna spin this out and let's see how it goes. Now I don't have my box, which I normally have, but I have this tablecloth and I'm just gonna, I've lifted it up and clipped it to things. And when it comes to me, I'll just hold it up like this. So let me move it to the center of the table. One last torch. That's beautiful. Lots of dots. Let's see if it will spread out some as I spin it. have to spin it off a little bit more, I'm hoping. That's nice. Well, I'm going to stop there, my friends. I'm going to hope that it's all going to dry nicely, since I did add some additives, because sometimes I keep spinning off hoping that it won't, you know, crack, but then so much of the beautiful bloom comes off. Hold your hand sometimes or lean it up on something. Oh, they keep popping up. All right. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see, would I have it hanging this way or this way? I'm not sure. No, I think I like it. Well, I like both. All right, my friends. Well, a double bloom here, 12 by 24, large bloom. And I will get you down for a close-up. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I am so thankful for you. And God bless you, and you have a nice evening.